Two-dimensional lattice types. There are 5 distinct lattice types in 2 dimension: oblique lattice, square lattice, hexagonal lattice, rectangular lattice, and centered rectangular lattice. These 5 distinct lattice types are also called 5 Bravais lattices in 2 dimension. Let us discuss first oblique lattice. A general lattice for arbitrary A1 and A2 is known as oblique lattice, where A1 and A2 are called crystal axis. Basically, the crystal axis vector. The conventional unit cell of oblique lattice is a parallelogram. The crystal axis, the magnitude of the crystal axis are same, that is magnitude of A1 is equal to magnitude of A2, and angle between A1 and A2 is equal to 90 degree. So this is the geometrical shape of oblique lattice. Here you see A1 and A2 are arbitrary, and the conventional unit cell of the oblique lattice, this is a parallelogram, and the magnitude of A1 and A2 are not same, and the angle between A1 and A2, this angle is equal to 90 degree. An oblique lattice is invariant under rotation 2 pi radian, and also it is invariant under rotation 2 pi by 2, that is pi radian, about any lattice point. So remember, an oblique lattice is an invariant under rotation 2 pi radian and pi radian about any lattice point. So the point group of oblique lattice is 1 and 2. That is, there are 2 point groups in oblique lattice. Next is your square lattice. A square lattice is a type of lattice in a 2-dimensional lattice. There are 2 types of square lattices. One is your upright square lattice, and the second one is your diagonal square lattice. The diagonal square lattice differ by an angle of 45 degree from the upright square lattice. The lattice crystal axis of diagonal square lattice is √2 times larger than the crystal axis of upright square lattice. This is the 2-dimensional structure of the upright square lattice. If you construct the lattice by joining this diagonal, then this will be diagonal square lattice. And the lattice crystal axis of diagonal square lattice is √2 times larger than the crystal axis of the upright square lattice. Remember, the conventional unit cell of square lattice is a square. The crystal axis A1, magnitude of A1 is equal to magnitude of A2, and the angle between them phi is equal to 90 degree. The square lattice is invariant under rotation 2 pi by 4 or pi by 2 radian or 45 degree. So the point group is 4. At the point group 4, there is mirror reflection of square lattice, that is the point group for this reflection. Mirror reflection is 4 mm. So square lattice have 2 point groups. One is your 4, another one is 4 mm. Remember, here 4 stands for pure rotation and mm stands for pure reflection or mirror reflection. When the mirror reflection is once like this, we say it m. When the mirror reflection is 2 times like this, we say it is mm. Then we have hexagonal lattice. In 2-dimensional lattice system, we have hexagonal lattice. Hexagonal lattice is also called trigonal lattice. The hexagonal lattice or trigonal, the hexagonal lattice or triangular lattice is one of the 5 2D lattice types. The conventional unit cell of hexagonal lattice is 60-degree rhombus. You see, this is the conventional unit cell of the hexagonal lattice, which is a 60-degree rhombus. The crystal axis, magnitude of A1 and magnitude of A2 are same. A1 is the crystal axis vector and A2 is the crystal axis vector, and the magnitude of A1 is equal to the magnitude of A2, and the angle between A1 and A2 is equal to 120 degree. The hexagonal lattice is also called triangular lattice because 3 nearby points form an equilateral triangle. You see, if you join this, then this will be an equilateral triangle. This will be also an equilateral triangle. This will be also an equilateral triangle. So the hexagonal lattice is called a triangular lattice because 3 nearby points, this is one point, this is another point, this is another point, 3. So 3 nearby points form an equilateral triangle. The hexagonal lattice have point group 3, 3m and 6mm. So hexagonal lattice have 3 point groups 3, 3m and 6mm. Then you have rectangular lattice. There are 2 types of rectangular lattice in 2 dimensions. One is your primitive rectangular lattice and the second one is centered rectangular lattice. In centered rectangular lattice, there is a extra lattice point or atom at the center. So this is the difference between primitive rectangular lattice and centered rectangular lattice. In centered rectangular lattice, you have a extra lattice point at the center. You see in this picture the difference between primitive rectangular lattice and centered rectangular lattice. In primitive rectangular lattice, there is no lattice at the center. There are only lattice points at the corners. But in this centered rectangular lattice, you have corner lattice points and also there is a lattice at the center. In case of primitive rectangular lattice, the conventional unit cell is a rectangle. In case of centered rectangular lattice, also the conventional unit cell is a rectangle. In case of primitive rectangular lattice, the crystal axis A1, magnitude of the crystal axis A1 is not equal to A2. In case of centered rectangular lattice, in the magnitude of A1 is also not equal to A2. In case of primitive rectangular lattice, the angle between A1 and A2 is equal to 90 degree. In case of centered rectangular lattice also you have the angle between A1 and A2 is equal to 90 degree. In case of primitive rectangular lattice, you have 2 point groups. One is your 1m, another one is 2mm. In case of central rectangular lattice also you have 2 point groups. One is 1m and the other is 2mm. This table shown to you gives the 5 different types of lattices in two dimensions and their conventional unit cell and the crystal axis and the different point groups of the 5 different lattices.